My name is Michael. Thank you very much for you guys to keep staying here. And I know it's a bit long, but I try to keep it short. All right, our company is called WorkTech. Why we call WorkTech? Let me give you a short video to give you some basic understanding of what we're doing, all right? Thank you very much. Quite a lot of people is asking me, oh, WeWork situations, do you still believe co-working? I say yes, definitely yes. But we need to put a little bit more, not just for the space. That's the reason what we're calling ourselves is space management. What is space management? We add a lot of things inside with different industry, different components, supporting ecosystem, everything's inside. So making all our tenants is just not the simple relationship between a tenant and a landlord. So basically, let's do the slide, I explain a little bit more. Oh, okay. Okay, as I said before, for all the startup, they're facing the problem is, oh, they can't open bank account. When the bank asks you, do you have any track record? Do you got any history? You said, no, I'm a startup. So will the bank open the bank account for you? No, basically it's quite difficult. No matter in Nepal, in Hong Kong, Taiwan, anywhere, it's quite difficult. Of course, you can open the bank account eventually, but it takes a long, long time. And this year is big changes for WorkTech. We signed the JV partnership with top 3 Taiwan bank called Taishin Holdings. They're the top 3 bank in Taiwan. And they will be provide all the startup ecosystem, the soft landing to open the bank account for worldwide approach. This is only one of it. So that's making a lot of help for the startup ecosystem. This is what we had 2 weeks before the FinTech Week in Taiwan, which quite successful. This is the booth, what we had. And it's quite surprising, even the vice presidents of Taiwan came to visit us. So this is totally changed the ecosystem because the banking that we signed partnership with is not only for the startup. Even you do blockchain, crypto, before you can't open a bank account in APAC, right? Quite a lot of bank account is in North American market, but right now we can speak clearly, we can open a bank account for the blockchain and crypto. So that's making the whole lot different for the game. That's the reason what we call, we're not only a co-working space, but also a community. The first things we provide is the community banking, which I'm pretty sure that based on Mr. Anil's support for the Nepal ecosystem, I think it's going to be happen quite quick. And all our locations right now is starting to taking the crypto for all the payment. I will say our platform is quite successful, not only about the location, not only about the size. Right now, we got 500,000 square feet around all these countries, areas. But I would say the partnership strategies that we do, and it's quite helpful for everyone. Not only we provide the space as a landlord, but at the same time, we provide a lot of supporting to all the people. You want legal, we got legal. You get accountings, we get accountings. You want VC, we got VC. So I think it's quite good for everyone. Oh, that's it. So what's next? 2019 is a big milestone for our company. Not only we're landing Taiwan and Singapore this year, but also we got the building, it's named WorkTech in Hong Kong. And we're going to finish up another acquisitions in Singapore by the Q2, Q3 next year. We will have another buildings in Singapore called WorkTech Tower. So this is quite interesting to provide more accomplishment, a lot of services to all the startup and the ecosystem. I think we keep going, dream come true. Thank you.